People say water is life. If so, then good water means good life. Introducing OUI ozonized water, approved by NAFDAC and packaged using the latest water packaging equipment in a clean and hygienic environment by well-qualified personnel. At OUI Water Factory, we also cater for customization of packaged table water for different occasions at the shortest of notice, and our vehicles are available to take your order to your preferred location at no extra cost. Visit us today at our factory at Oduduwa University Main Campus, Ife Ibadan Expressway, roundabout Ipetimodu, PM 5533, Ile-Ife, Osun State. Telephone number 0803 706 6476 or 0807 662 3333 and 0814 627 3869. OUI ozonized water, good life.
My name is Sulaiman Wasiu Kayode, the production manager Oduduwa University Water, Ipetimodu, Ile-Ife, Osun State, Nigeria. The Oduduwa University table water, we started on 15th of April 2014. But before we started this, we were able to meet some consultants who gave us a very good advice on where to site it, who to manage it. That is where I come in. Because when the consultant gave them the kind of people who can manage the pure water and the table water industry, that is when they look for me and they employ me as the production manager. We were able to get a specific place in Oduduwa University, and to God be the glory, we've started that since that 2014 and we are doing well and everything is okay. After we've planned that we want to start the water and have been employed, there are some things as an expert that I give them before we start the registration process. From there, we were able to register with the Corporate Affairs Commission in Abuja. We register with trade tests that will make us to be one of the people who can trade in Nigeria. And apart from that, we do the necessary documentation by employing the workers that are going to work there. The food handler test was done. Even the water we want to be using, we drill the borehole, because we are having two types of borehole. We have industrial and we have domestic one. And before we can go to NAFDAC and say we want to register, we must have put all these things in place. Our machine was put in place, and our borehole, we did industrial borehole that even if we need more than 1 million liters of water per day, we can be able to get it. So we put all these things together. We further go to the NAFDAC office, where we tell them our intention. They come for the verification, they see all what we have put in place, and at the end of the day, they see that this thing, they were satisfied with it. Then they go with the registration with us by taking our water to their own laboratory to verify whether what we presented to them is what we have. So after a series of tests, and they were able to come back and tell us that we are free to produce by generating a code to us that is not the same with any other person, even not in Osun State but in Nigeria as a whole. That is how we were able to register in 2014. Capacity of our water now has even increased this year, because we were able to get automated machine in which we can produce. If we are talking about the table water, we can produce as many as possible table water, not less than 5,000, 6,000 parts per day. In which, even during this dry season, if we have any supply to any place, we were able to meet up with our target because of the new machine we are having at hand for now. We offer different products and services in our company, starting from 75 cl table water. We have 50 cl table water and we have 50 cl sachet water. Apart from all these three, we still offer different services, like if somebody want to do wedding now today, so we can customize as many as possible bottled water, sachet water, anything we can customize it. Even the water dispenser, some people come from their own residence where they will come for our own water because they know it's one of the best water in Nigeria. They will come, and at the end of the day they drop their container and we purify the water, we fill it, and we go back to their different houses and fix it for them, and they were able to get something better from us. Kudos to His Royal Eminence, the Chancellor of Oduduwa University, the Mayor of Yorubaland, and his wife, the Yeye Mayor of Yorubaland. They have been doing good to us, because if you put a round peg in a round hole, definitely you have a good result. What I'm trying to say is this: His Royal Eminence have been able to employ somebody like me that will give a better and a quality result. Generally, all the industry, all the water industry, even the breweries, always encounter different problems, especially when there is climatic changes or there is a weather changes, especially when we are talking about the seasonal things, maybe the rain season and the dry season. Like the dry season now, whether we like it or not, the water will be pure, but the particle will be many. The water will be pure and the particle will be many. But with the machine we have, whether during the dry season or the rainy season, the machine is capable of purifying that water to the extent that we will have the pH of our water to be 7. During the dry season, we discover that we always have some particles, and that is why we have different segments in our company, from the borehole to raw water tank. From raw water tank, we have something we call sand filters. We have 2 sand filters in which, if any particle are there, the sand filter we're able to we form it in such a way that it will be like soil formation, where you have the biggest one at the bottom, you have the following size till you have the minimal one. So when the particles pass through these things, so it depends on the size of the particle, we determine the layer of the soil that we trap it down. So we have 2, and after that one we have another one we call carbonated resin. It is the duty of this to carbonate that water, and after that we have another one called softener. That softener is the one to change if at all we were able to have hard water. So the hardness of water there, it is the water softener that will turn it from the hard water to soft water, so that when you take our water, you will see it's light in the mouth. And at the end of the day, we move to pre-treatment tank, where we situated our ozonizer. The water will be ozonized before it passes through what we mean by the largest machine that can be able to purify water, which is reverse osmosis. So it will go through that reverse osmosis after it has been ozonized, and at the end of the day we have a better water. We did not even leave it at this stage. We allow it that we know that when it pass through the pipe, definitely there may be some spirogyra that may be inside that pipe that will have grown. So at the end of the day, we still have what we mean by microfilter and microcarbon filter, in which it can still trap anything that is on their way. Apart from that, we may even see some microorganisms that we may not be able to see with our naked eye. There is still what we call UV light that can still kill all these microorganisms before it is being packed and distributed out. I told you before, our founder, the mayor of the source, and his wife, the mayor of the source, have been doing greatly in Nigeria. Is the first personality to have this kind of things in Nigeria. He has 2 polytechnics in Nigeria and 1 university. And as I'm talking to you, it is good to have company inside even the university, because there are some ways that the university system will assist the production of this water. Like our own now, we have a small laboratory in our company. Apart from having a small laboratory in our company, we still work with the laboratory we have in the university, because we have chemistry laboratory in the university, and we still have microbiology laboratory in the university and biochemistry laboratory. It is from that microbiology lab we are able to get different things like doing the microbial analysis of the water, taking some other tests in the microbiology lab. The same that we go to chemistry, where we are able to get different things. Water supposed to have some properties, and we're able to maintain that properties, because it is when that water maintain the property that we can be able to gain something that we want from the water. There are some professors in the university that we have advices from them. They give us a better advice that you can go this way, you can go this way. Recently, we were able to establish what they call radon in the university. One person in our university were able to work on what we mean by radon, the effect of the radon in the environment and in the human being. And we're able to know that, okay, we can still introduce this one in our factory, and we're able to introduce it, and we know that the radon is not present in our water.
Oduduwa University, Ipetimodu, PMB 5533 Ile-Ife, a federal government licensed university. Admissions into full-time, part-time degrees and postgraduate degrees are now on. Courses available are bachelor's degree and master degrees at the College of Management and Social Sciences, College of Natural and Applied Sciences, College of Engineering and Technology, as well as College of Environmental Designs and Management. At Oduduwa University, we also have College of Entrepreneurial Studies, where students learn various vocations and trade before graduation. At Oduduwa University, we also have the Center for International Studies and Exchange Programs, where our students in Part 3 spend a semester in countries like the USA, UK, Germany, Russia, and Ghana. Report for screening this Thursday at 12 p.m. at Oduduwa University, Ipetimodu, PMB 5533, Ile-Ife. Telephone 080 56 56 56 56 or Oduduwa Polytechnic 213, Egbeda Idimu Road, Idimu, Lagos. Telephone 080 58 55 55 58. You can also visit us at Oduduwa College of Professional Studies, opposite First Bank, near Uniban, Ogbowo, Benin City. Telephone 070 56 55 55 54 or Akpo Settlement Area, Abuja 080 56 56 56 56. Visit our website at www.oduduwauniversity.edu.ng. We can also change your university of choice to Oduduwa University. OUI fees are affordable, and we also grant scholarships. Oduduwa University, yes, committed to qualitative education.